What makes a vertical line perpendicular in algebra? Imagine standing in front of a giant chalkboard, drawing a line straight up and down. Now, picture a line stretching out from left to right. What makes these two lines cross at a perfect right angle? That's what we're here to find out. In algebra, a vertical line is one where all points have the same x-coordinate. Think of it like a fence that runs straight up and down. No matter what the y value is, the x value stays the same. For example, the line equals 5 means every point on that line has an x-coordinate of 5. It's like a wall that goes straight up. Now the slope of a line tells us how steep it is. For a vertical line, the change in x between any two points is 0 because doesn't change. When we try to find the slope, which is the change in y divided by the change in x, we end up dividing by 0. Since dividing by 0 is not allowed in math, the slope of a vertical line is called undefined. It's like trying to divide a number by 0, it just doesn't work. On the other hand, a horizontal line runs left to right. Its slope is 0 because the y value stays the same no matter what the x value is. For example, y equals 3 is a horizontal line. It crosses the y-axis at 3 and stays flat. When two lines are perpendicular, they meet at a right angle, which is 90 degrees. For lines that are not vertical or horizontal, this means their slopes are negative reciprocals. For example, if one line has a slope of 2, the line perpendicular to it will have a slope of negative 1/2. But vertical and horizontal lines are special cases. A vertical line with an undefined slope is always perpendicular to a horizontal line with a 0 slope. Think about it like this. The vertical line goes straight up and down, and the horizontal line goes straight across. They meet at a perfect right angle, forming that 90-degree corner. This is why vertical lines are always perpendicular to horizontal lines in algebra. So, in simple terms, a vertical line is perpendicular because it crosses horizontal lines at a right angle. Its slope is undefined, which pairs perfectly with the 0 slope of horizontal lines. This idea helps us understand how lines relate to each other when we graph linear functions and explore linear relationships. It's a fundamental part of understanding how different lines interact on a coordinate plane.